Hi everyone, welcome to another free plugins for music production you're going to like. It's actually a quick one because it's available for a limited time. Meet Octapus by CARP Audio, and according to the developer, it is a creative audio effect plugin designed to add unique character and special depths to your sound. And it does that through a simple intuitive controls, as you can see, just these two slide knobs here, which introduces pitched versions of your audio. One of the slide is for octave up and one is for octave down. It has high and low pass filters on each channel, and that lets you shape the tonal character of these pitched layers. So let's check it out. What you're listening to is the audio sample without this plugin. So this is what we have. And now this is with it. And as you can see, it completely changed the sound. So this is what is happening. At first, I will engage this delta button here to hear what I'm adding and removing. So I will start with this first slide. And the reason for that is so that I can hear what I'm adding and what I'm removing. All right, so let's go to the other one, the pitch up one. So as you can see, this is for the lower octave or the down octave, just to set the amount I want. Then after that, switch over to the higher octave to see how much we will add there. If you paid very close attention, you notice that the moment I tweak this knob, it gave me more room to increase the octave we have there. Reducing it brings it down, set it to this extent, and I believe you understand. So with these settings, I think I'm okay. Alright, and after that, introduce a little detuning just to add some sort of character to the track, and with this interesting spread section here just to add more weight to the signal. And trust me, there is a whole lot you can actually use this to create, which will add kind of unique color or quality to your track. So now let's listen to what we have before and after. So I believe you heard it. This right here is the mix knob, which you can now use to blend the processed sound with the original sound. Below it is the knob to detune your signal, as you can see. And the last one here is to spread, to add stereo weights. So this is actually what I did to take that original sound from what it is to what you guys just listened to. So that's pretty much about the features in this plugin. It is very simple and intuitive interface, and you can see that clearly. This plugin can be used on anything. It doesn't matter the material, it could be bass, synth, drums, whatever, just to, give it a different touch or feel to the material you're working with. So, but don't take it for what I'm saying. I'll be leaving. So But don't take it for what I'm saying. I'll be leaving the link in the description so that you download it now that it's still available, because this limited offer lasts until the 1st of March, which is by tomorrow. And sorry for bringing this late. Try it out and let's discuss about your findings, what you think generally about this plugin. And if you're interested to check out more interesting free plugins that I've covered on this platform, on the screen is a playlist. Go there and pick the plugin you feel you need for a particular purpose in your production. And I'll see you guys there. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and bye for now.